The PSD plot we opened earlier looks a little bit hectic and it's hard to interpret. For this purpose, we have the post-processing tools in the analyzer. To load these tools up, you go to the Tools drop-down in the channel selector and click on Post-Processing. This should load a window exactly as shown. The first section in this window is the plot smoothing section. This allows you to smooth the visual representation of the data as it's plotted. This does not affect exporting the data itself. First drop-down menu here is the algorithm selection. We allow the use of convolutional algorithms as well as Savitzky-Golay filtering. To show the use of this, let's use a Savitzky-Golay filter with polynomial order 5 and width 101. Now notice when we plot this, we will have a much smoother plot. You can see that the number of data points for each section is much less, whereas here we have a giant red blob. It's not there here because it's more smooth. The next and final section of the post-processing window is the integration selection. This allows you to do two things. One, it allows you to perform detrending on the data, for example, removing the mean. And it also allows you to perform integration. Integration is important because it allows you to go from acceleration to velocity or to displacement. So for example, if we were to put on first order integral and plot the waveform of the acceleration, you'll see that we get units of meters per second because now we have speed. It's important to note that all settings you specify will persist until you close the channel selector window. That is, if you put first order integral and close out of this window, all other plots will have the first order integral taken of it before being plotted or before data is exported.